The Oyster Creek Garden Railroad has made many modifications to its live steam Ruby locomotive. This is the first in a series describing those modifications. Today we'll discuss the installation of radio control and a pilot truck. The shop chose to put the control servos in the cab and the battery and the receiver in the tender. With the tender shell removed, you can see here's the receiver, here's the battery pack, and here's the connectors. This top one is for the headlight, and then those two are for the control servos. This servo controls the Johnson bar, or the direction, and this servo controls the throttle. This is throttle closed, mid-range setting, throttle open. With pressure up, let's run the locomotive and watch how it responds to the throttle servo and the direction servo. Throttle down, servo forward. This Ruby is also fitted with a pilot truck made from brass bar stock that was bent, drilled, and soldered together. The truck can freely follow the curves on the railroad, and it helps to lead the rest of the locomotive into the turn. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you want to stay up with new content, please subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.